Hi guys, welcome to BPrep where we whiteboard quant questions appeared in previous year papers. Before we start with the question, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel to get updates on latest videos if you are preparing for any of the competitive exams. Let's start. The figure shows a circle of diameter AB and radius 6.5 centimeter. If chord CA is 5 centimeter long, find the area in square centimeter of triangle ABC. Okay, so here we know the radius is given, it is 6.5. Okay, and one side AC is given, which is 5. This chord is 5. Okay, we need to find the area of this triangle. So we know if this line AB is passing through the center, it must be diameter of the circle, and if it is diameter, the length of diameter will be 6.5 into 2, it will be 13. Right, and because we know that diameter subtends a 90-degree angle on the circle, so we know ACB will be a right angle triangle, and hence we can easily find out the area from here. Okay, so we'll get the area, but after that we'll see two things. First is why we are saying this is 90 degree. Okay, angle C is why it is 90 degree, and we'll also see how this question can be twisted in some different way and it can be asked again. Okay, so first let's calculate the area. So now we know the side, so area will be half into base into height. Okay, so we know because if it is ACB, it is right angle triangle, so hypotenuse is known, it's 13, one side is 5, so this will be 13 square minus 5 square. Okay, so this will be 169 minus 25, 144, 12. Okay, so here the area will be half, base is 5, height is 12. Okay, so this is 30 square centimeter. Okay, now we'll see two things, why we are saying this angle will be 90 degree, why diameter subtends 90 degree, and we'll also see the twist in the question, and it can be asked again. So let's say this is the circle. Okay, let's make this diagram a bit clean. Okay, so let's join the point C with the center. Let's say O is our center. Okay, so now in this case, if O is the center, OC is radius and OA is also radius, so OA and OC, they will be equal. Okay, so if they are equal, this angle A and angle C, they will be equal, right? Let's say they are X, right? Because this is isosceles triangle, and because OB and OC are also radius, so OB and OC, they will also be same, hence angle B and angle C here will be same, right? So let's say this is Y. So if we add all angles of this triangle here, we'll get X plus, so A is X, C is now X plus Y, and B is Y. And we know all sum of all the angles inside triangle is 180 degree. So from here we have 2x plus y is 180 degree, 2 will get cancelled, so 90 degree. So we are getting x plus y as 90 degree. So it is now proved that x plus y, or x plus y is nothing but the complete angle C. Okay, so hence angle C is 90 degree. If it is 90 degree, we can directly apply the area for right angle triangle. Okay, and now in other form I have seen questions related to this with a slight variation. So for example, let's say this is our circle, and if we try to draw this diagram again, then instead of asking the area of the triangle, you may ask the area of the shaded region. Okay, so it's gonna be same here. We know because it is diameter, it's gonna divide the circle into two equal half, and the area of semicircle in this case will be pi r square by 2, because it is half of the circle, minus area of the triangle we just deduced, which is 30. Okay, so by putting the value of r, we can get this area, and by subtracting 30 we can get area of the shaded portion. Okay, so in this form these questions can be asked. Okay, that's all for this question. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts or questions, please post in comments. And guys, please do subscribe to the channel by clicking the subscribe button below to get updates on latest videos. Thank you.